Jane Doe's account of the night in question is both detailed and harrowing. She describes being approached by a man at the VMAs who offered her and a friend a ride in a limousine to an after-party. Doe claims that they were taken to Diddy's house, where she was offered a drink that made her feel unwell. She alleges that she was then led to a bedroom where she was sexually assaulted by both Jay-Z and Diddy. However, Doe's account is not without its inconsistencies. She claims to have spoken to musician Benji Madden at the party, but Madden has stated that he was not in New York City on the night in question. Furthermore, Doe's father, whom she claims picked her up from a gas station after the alleged assault, has no recollection of the event. Both Jay-Z and Diddy have vehemently denied Jane Doe's allegations. Their legal teams have characterized the lawsuit as frivolous and a shameful money grab. They argue that Doe's claims are baseless and lack any credible evidence. Jay-Z's lawyer, in a statement to NBC News, called the lawsuit a desperate attempt to exploit and profit from a horrific crime. Diddy's legal team echoed these sentiments, stating that they are confident that the truth will come out and that their client will be fully exonerated. They have pointed to the inconsistencies in Doe's account as evidence that her claims are fabricated. The responses from Jay-Z and Diddy, while expected, add another layer of complexity to an already sensitive and complicated case. They raise questions about the burden of proof in such cases and the challenges of defending oneself against allegations that date back decades. The statute of limitations for reporting sexual assault has long been a subject of debate, and many survivors are unable to come forward until years or even decades after the abuse occurred. The burden of proof rests on the accuser to provide credible evidence to support their claims. In this case, the inconsistencies in Doe's account and the lack of corroborating witnesses raise serious questions about the veracity of her allegations. The legal battle between Jane Doe, Jay-Z and Diddy is likely to be lengthy and contentious. As the case unfolds, it will be up to the courts to sift through the conflicting accounts, weigh the evidence and ultimately determine the truth. However, the court of public opinion is often less discerning and more swift to judge. Regardless of the outcome of the legal proceedings, the reputations of both the accuser and the accused have already been tarnished by these allegations. This case serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact of sexual assault, the complexities of memory and trauma, and the importance of due process in our legal system. Follow Toxin Magazine for up-to-date news coverage.